Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Task Manager right away. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC for the fastest result. Once it appears, make sure you can expand details by clicking More Details at the bottom. This reveals Processes, Performance, and Startup tabs. If you prefer a mouse, right-click the taskbar and choose Task Manager. These first steps get you to the right view so you can quickly find a running app or service without hunting through menus. Once done, focus on identifying the issue. Sort the processes column by CPU, memory, or disk to surface the top consumers. Make sure to check the Performance tab for real-time graphs of CPU, memory, disk, and GPU. This tells you whether a hardware bottleneck exists. You can right-click any process to end task, open its file location, or view properties. These options explain what the process is and help you decide whether to stop it or investigate further. To finish, control future performance by opening the Startup tab and disabling unnecessary apps. Review the Startup Impact column to prioritize changes. If Task Manager fails to open, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del and select it from there, or boot into safe mode to troubleshoot without third-party interference. If things still go wrong, run a malware scan and use System File Checker. These steps resolve corrupted files or infections that prevent Task Manager or normal operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.